Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Lords mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lords mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken to the basic tutorial levels. After you complete these levels, you will find the expand button at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on this button, just tap on the gear icon and then tap on account. Now from this page, you can tap on a create new account or the add account option, and you will either have the option to log in using your Facebook or your Google account. Just tap on whichever option is available or whichever one you used while creating your old account, and once you tap on either of these options, you will simply be asked to log in to either your Google or your Facebook account. Once you log in and tap on the continue as button, you will be logged into your previously existing game on Lords Mobile, and all of your previous progress will also be recovered. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Lords mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.